What up? How you doing? This is Sam, Custom Homes Building and Remodeling. If you haven't already, like my business page, click the like button, click to subscribe. I got something special for you today. I'm going to be walking you through the beginning through the end of my custom door. Let me show it to you. All right, so this is actually the finished product right there. See how sexy that is? But it first started with the idea, and we saw this picture right here. And then after the picture, we were kind of like, we have to build this door. So that's what this video was all about, was to show you how we came to put this custom door together. Enjoy. So we knew this door wasn't going to be easy to make because there was a lot of elements that went to this door. There's first off, just to run off the list of different wood that we used. We used hold on, let me show you. At the very bottom, that's 1x6. Down the middle is a 1x3. These are 1x3s on the edges. We wanted 1x4s in the middle. These are 1x1s. So we wanted to look exactly like the door that we saw and the door that we envisioned. And that's what we specialize in, is customization. So we had to get all of these pieces to build that door. Now that this door is built, I put the framing on and I started putting all the pieces together. We started with a really thin sheet of plywood. We didn't want the door to be super heavy because we're gonna have to hang it. So now that I put the door together, it's time to do the detail part, which is filling all the holes, putting glue on the wood, filling the holes, and making sure that you sand it down so you don't see all the edges. And then that's what we're gonna do now. got our door together. It's time for paint. Painting took a long time to do, a very detailed process. My wife has the patience for it. I do not. I do the heavy grunt work, lifting type of stuff, and she has the patience for it. So that's why she knocked that out. Shout out to my wife. She's a beast on the saw. I can't really take all the credit for this door. She really did all of these cuts, and I mainly put it together. So I had to make sure that I give her that credit because she deserves it, because it wasn't an easy door to put together, but it came out beautifully. Now that this door is done, I get to enjoy myself a nice drink. Kick my feet up into the next project. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm looking to drop a lot of content similar to this on different projects that we do. Contractor information, house flip information, anything of that sort. So stay tuned. Peace.